Oh my god, he has that device! He has that device! Oh my fucking god. He has the device, look. Bro, that's the same device.
I mean, obviously it's not your fault, like, you know, it's an accident. But yeah, this is just surreal.
That's like crazy.
I mean, all the times we always like talked about things like worrying about stuff at the house too.
I know.
And then like this of all. All right, let me let me make some more calls. Let me talk to them. But all right, keep me posted though.